Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to check bank balance using mobile number. Want to check your balance instantly using just your mobile number? Whether you use SBI, HDFC, ICICI, or any other bank, this quick video will show you how to check your balance in seconds using SMS, missed call, and Passbook apps. So for now, let's get started. Let's start first with missed call and SMS banking. Most banks offer balance inquiry through missed call and SMS services. All you need is to register your mobile number with your bank. For example, SBI, give a missed call to 0922376666. HDFC missed call to 1800 270 3333. ICICI dial 9594612. Kotak Mahindra 1800 27 40 11. Bank of Baroda 84 68 00 11 11. Within seconds, you will receive an SMS with your account balance. No internet required. Make sure your number is linked with your bank account. All bank passbook apps. Now let's talk about mobile passbook apps. These apps show your balance, transactions, and many statements. Some popular ones include SBI Quick or Yono SBI, HDFC Mobile Banking App, ICICI iMobile Pay, Access Mobile, Kotak 811, or Kotak Mobile App. You just have to download your bank's official app from Play Store or App Store, log in with your registered mobile number, use OTP or MPIN to log in, tap on accounts or balance to view your details. Each bank's app works similarly, but always make sure you are downloading the official version. UPI apps as backup. If your bank app doesn't work, use API apps like PhonePe, Google Pay, or Paytm. Open the UPI app, tap your bank account, click check balance, enter UPI PIN, and done. And that is it for today's video. Now you know how to check your bank balance using your mobile number in multiple ways. No need to visit the bank or ATM. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like because it really matters, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.